The available power tailgate can be opened, closed, locked, and unlocked in multiple ways, and can be set to a custom opening height. To open the power tailgate from inside the vehicle, with the vehicle in park, pull the power tailgate switch in the driver's door. From outside the vehicle, press and hold the power tailgate button on the key fob for at least 1 second, or press the button twice. Or for hands-free opening, while carrying the convenience key with you, with the ignition off, stand behind the tailgate just to the left of the 4 rings. Move your foot forward and back under the bumper 1 time at the site of the sensor. Do not touch the bumper. The compartment lid will open. If you move your foot under the bumper during opening, it will stop. The power tailgate can be closed in the same way. When fully opened, swing your foot under the bumper 1 time near the sensor. Do not touch the bumper. The tailgate will close automatically. As with opening, there are multiple ways to close the tailgate. Press the power tailgate button in the bottom edge of the compartment lid. Pressing the soft touch switch in the handle of the luggage compartment lid will also actuate closing, as will pressing the power tailgate button on the key fob twice, or pressing and holding until the tailgate closes securely. Or simply pull the tailgate down slightly until the power closing takes over. From inside the vehicle, with the ignition on and the vehicle in park, pull the power tailgate switch in the driver's door until the lid is fully closed. During any opening or closing procedure, activating a switch again or interrupting the opening or closing manually will cause the procedure to stop. Pressing a switch again will resume operation. To set a custom opening height, allow the tailgate to open. When it reaches the desired height, press the close button to stop it. Then, press and hold the button for at least 4 seconds. A beep will sound, and the tail lights will flash to verify the setting. The tailgate will now only open to the set height. To return the tailgate to the full open position, manually push the tailgate upward fully, then repeat the procedure of pressing and holding the tailgate button for 4 seconds until confirmed with the beep and lights.